So I'm out here with my Aomways, Commanders version 1. I'm gonna do the first range test. We'll send my quad all the way down the road, see how far we can get, then I'll chase it down with the Phantom and we'll get an accurate readout of how far the distance is reached. So let's see how we go. So far so good. Getting a lot further than my box goggles. Wow, this is pretty crazy. Interesting when I try and turn it around though. Still going. Wow. Did not expect it to get this far. This is crazy. Wow. I think my radio is going to run out of signal before my goggles see.
Signal critical.
Yep, so should drop out sometime soon. Gosh, I'm going to run out of road soon. Oh, there we go.
Engines disarmed.
Okay, so I made it pretty damn far. That was amazing. I did not expect it to go that far. Well, can't quite see it, so go have a drive. Aha!
Telemetry recovered. Low battery.
Ah, yep. Awesome. And there we have it, guys. It is all the way over here. We have made it 1,076. Not bad.